This 2-ingredient low-carb fudge will please the entire family, and they won't believe that it's diabetic-friendly and sugar-free. First things first, gang, we have got to line our pan with parchment paper. Now, y'all know me. I stink at this, so if y'all got some tips for me, please let me know. Grab your saucepan, a measuring cup, and yes, that embarrassingly lined pan. And I want you to grab our first ingredient. It's one of two. It's heavy whipping cream. We need about 3/4 cup of our heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and add it to that pan. Remember, half a cup is going to be 3 grams of carbs, so this is low carb. And gang, you do need to use heavy whipping cream. It does have a lot more fat than our half and half, and y'all know that I'm a calories girl, but this is how this recipe will turn, and it will be thick and it will set. Half and half won't set. Almond milk won't set. I'm not so sure about coconut cream. I'm not the biggest fan of coconut. Y'all know this by now. And hey, if you don't know me, my name is Dietitian Shelly. I live a low carb lifestyle. I encourage all of my clients to as well for optimal health, i.e. lower them blood sugars and balance out those hormones. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hey, I like that. We're going to add to this our Lily's salted caramel chocolate chips. Did you know there were salted caramel? Yes, indeed. Boo, you're going to add this whole bag to this. You're going to mix it. Remember, gang, our heat is going to be medium low. It's going to take a minute or two to get this mixed, but hey, who cares? No big deal to me because I ain't got to turn on my oven or anything like that. And we're still keeping the carbs low, boo. Where do you get Lily's? Well, I have a great store here called Drug Emporium. There's Walmart, there's Kroger. Y'all know I don't like to spend a lot of money. I wish I had some extra pocket change, but I just don't. I got 2 kids, y'all, and I'm bougie on a bayou. Give me a deal. I love it. I buy my clothes on the clearance racks, and I hope y'all do too, because I want you to save some money with me. Once we get all of this stirred, gang, and it looks beautiful, you're going to pour it in the pan. Y'all see I'm messy as you know what, so I love tips. Y'all tell me how to not be messy, but I personally believe the messier the kitchen, the better the kitchen, the better the love. We're going to let this set in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and that's it. Cut it, enjoy it. Your family is going to panic, and they ain't going to be like, ooh, this tastes healthy. They're going to be like, dang, girl, give me this recipe. If you didn't write it down, scroll in the description box. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Love to you all. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, gang.